What we shot today is finger millet dumpling. There are two kinds of crops in millet. One is a winter crop, one is a summer crop. They survive on rainwater. So much of water resources, natural water resources can be saved. Loaded with micronutrients and so rich in fiber and protein and you know with so much of less water consumption. Better staple to have than anything else is what I consider. And on top of it, it is gluten free. It's like icing on the cake. What more you want? Now I'm going to show you the ragi sangati, how we make it. To begin with, we have soaked some rice and made it into little coarse structure. Just give one in the blender, and now I'm adding this into the boiling water. See, it's broken rice, soaked and blended. We will add the finger millet flour, and we need to keep stirring it so that it does not form lumps. As we keep adding the finger millet flour to this, it becomes thickened, and we should make sure that there is no lump formation. And now we are adding the clarified butter or ghee, what we call to it, and we keep cooking it till the finger millet flour is cooked completely. I'm adding some more clarified ghee. I'm just seasoning with some salt. We will mix it completely. Done. He's finishing the staple with few drops of clarified butter. You saw the ragi sangati, how we make it. Now I'm going to show you what lentil preparation we are going to serve with ragi sangati. So now we are making the lentil preparation called puntikura pappu now. To the clarified butter, is adding the tempering, which is of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. The crackling sound, you need to listen to know the tempering is rightly done or not. He's adding garlic to it, minced garlic. Then he added roughly chopped or broken dry red chili and curry leaves. He will cook it till it turns little brown. To that, they'll add the lentils. He's added finely chopped onion. He added little water so that garlic does not get stuck to the pan. Now he's adding some chopped green chilies to it. This is the sorrel leaves, which is green in color. You get red sorrel leaves also. Finely chopped and washed and finely chopped. Now I'm adding this. He added turmeric powder to it. This is the boiled lentil. It is a combination of two lentils. It's a combination of a lentil and the greens. So this is how it looks. We have added the boiled lentil, chana dal, that's a gram. And now he's adding seasoning to it. So from region to region it varies. Some places they use chana dal, some places they use tuwar ki dal. That's how this lentil is being made. Yeah, now we'll plate this. No lentil is complete without putting clarified butter on top of it. Puntikura pappu, best eaten with rice or ragi sangati, as I said.